Oh, don't talk to full your mouth. Hi guys, welcome to Papa Don's channel. Meron tayong bagong mukbanger. Ang pangalan niya ay...
Rabbi's Channel.
Oh, Rabbi's Channel daw siya. Okay. Eating?
Hotdog egg.
Yeah, hotdog and egg. At meron pang matching tuyo! The best! At syempre, bagong taon, titikman natin ang... Ano tawag dito?
Hotdog na Milo.
Rapsa! Yo, invite your friends.
I don't know, you don't know. I don't know. I have money. I don't have no money, but Rabbi. And I'm famous, and you are not famous, but invite them to your channel.
Oh, invite mo sila sa channel mo.
My channel is I'm gonna
Please
buy.
like, share.
Lalo subscribe mga video. That ever doesn't make any sense, and I have sense. I believe in it.
Aray ko!
Who's your friends?
Edward, Jaya, Jeff, that's it. KR, that's it. And that doesn't belong to my room.
She always teaches you.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Oh yeah.
Nakailang hotdog ka na.
The warden of the house.
3.
Hindi mo kasi di-address ang hati mo.
Para dumami. Oh, wala. Kainin mo na lang yun.
So tulog pa ang kanyang mga tropang mukbanger.
Oh,
Oh, ganyan dapat. Oh.
Jerome the mukbanger. Delicious.
don't touch that. Dito lang yan. Mabasag yan. Masarap yan.
Galantina.
Chicken galantina.
A lot of hot dogs, ha?
Shh,
Oh,
tama na egg.
oh.
Tama na egg yung got mo. Mamaya mag-egg ka na naman.
Well, at least I have eggnog. Now, I'm the eggnog. Nung nakita siyang babae na si R, nag-iiyak.
Naeg ka na.
Ano nga naman, may nakita sa CR, babae. Mama! Si Ella nga nakita.
May huwag mong buksan.
Eh,
May nagsisiga. May nagsisiga, may. Diyan sa harap.
Mama said sa CR, may nakita yung babae. Tapos kinis ni Edward. Sabi sa akin sila.
Tumba ka dyan sa upo mo.
Ayusin mo, anak.
Ang sabi ko kung ganito.
Maano yung upper mo? Ayusin mo. Hotdog.
Hot dog. Parang yung charger ko. Para may magawa ka. yung mukbanger ko eh. Oh, kwento mo sila. Go finish na.
Mama, nachiwan ko.
Ano yun?
Ito.
Niloloko mo ko, tapusin na yan.
Rabbi Jerome, the mukbanger of the day. So, ganyan siya kabilis pagka hotdog ang kanyang tinitira. Hotdog and rice.
Pan vegetables, hindi mabilis.
Oh.
Ito lang ang mabilis.
Tsaka egg. Thank you for watching.
Bahala.
Hindi pa pala siya tapos, guys. Kakala ko tapos na siya. There's a lot of hotdog. That's too much.
Kasi one.
Blow first, blow. It's hot. So, invite mo naman sila kumain.
Kumain na kayong hotdog. Nung kumain kayo, kakausapin ko kayo. Pag may pera kayo, kakausapin ko kayo. Pag wala, hindi ko kayo kakausap. Whatever, bakala ka sa buhay mo.
Ganun ba yun? No, that's bad.
I have money, and then you have no money. I have money. Papa, why are you going to Telisa?
Ha? I'm watching lang.
But you don't do anything. Ba may magawa ka?
Ha? I'm thinking.
What are you thinking of? Are you thinking of a boy? Are you thinking the shot?
No, I'm thinking what you're eating later.
I am gonna eat still. Yes, listen.
dahan-dahan. Oh, go. Finish. Finish your food.
Tito Jerry, pag-hotdog ko ah. Pag-hotdog ko.
Kakain siya ng kahit ano. Tapos mo na yan. Parang ganyan lang po.
Oh, go. Finish.
Sige. Dahil nauupo.
Oh, go. Dali mo na sa kusina yan. Pangas.